everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Miki. In today's video, let's make this bunny bonsai. Now let's get started. We are going to start with the head, to the ears, the pot, and the mud. So we're gonna start with this part first. We start with a magic ring. Insert the hook, make a slip knot first. In the first round, we need to have 8 single crochet. Insert the hook, yarn over, have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through. This V shape is your first stitch. Put a stitch marker on your first stitch. And then we need to have 7 more single crochet. Now we have 8 stitches. Pull the yarn tail. Take off the stitch marker and insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. In round 2, first we need to have a standing stitch. The standing stitch doesn't count into your stitches in each round. And then we insert the hook into the first stitch just right below. And we're gonna make an increase. Increase means you need to have 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. Put your stitch marker on your first stitch. And then insert the hook into the same stitch that you just made that single crochet. One, 2, these 2 stitches make 1 increase. And in the next stitch, we're gonna make another increase. This is another increase. In the next stitch, we do another increase. So just keep doing increase until you finish this round, and in total you should have 8 increase stitches. In round 3, first we have a standing stitch, and in the first stitch we make 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch we make 1 increase. And then we repeat this pattern. In the next stitch we have 1 single crochet, and in the next stitch we have 1 increase. Repeat this pattern until you finish this round. In round 4, again we have a standing stitch, and in the first stitch we make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, we make another single crochet. In the third stitch, make another single crochet. And in the fourth stitch, make 1 increase. And please repeat this pattern until you finish this round. From round 5 to round 9, we have 30 single crochet in each round, which means we have 1 single crochet in each stitch. Before you start each round, make sure that you have a standing stitch, and this is your first stitch. Make 1 single crochet, and you just need to keep doing single crochet in these rounds. Keep doing it and I'll meet you in round 10. Now let's do round 10, standing stitch, and in the first stitch we have 1 single crochet, another single crochet in the second stitch, and another single crochet in the third stitch. And then we need to have a decrease. To make a decrease, we insert the hook into the front loop of the next stitch and insert into the next stitch's front loop. Now you should have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops. Now you've already made 1 decrease. Let's try this pattern again. First, we have 3 single crochet, and then we need to have a decrease. Now please finish this round by repeating this pattern. In round 11, we have 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern, 1 single crochet and 1 decrease. Please finish this round. Before you start round 12, insert some polyfill. In round 12, we should have 8 decrease, but you might find for the first stitch it's very hard to insert the hook into the back loop. So we're gonna insert the hook into the whole stitch. Make a standing stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull out, and then insert the hook into the next stitch, the whole stitch, yarn over, pull out, and yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and the next 2 loops. Put the stitch marker on your first decrease, and your next decrease will be just as what you did before. Insert the hook into the loop and then just keep doing it. Another decrease. Just keep doing it until you finish this round. After you are done, make a slip knot, pull out the yarn, and you can insert the yarn tail to the hole. Now let's make the bunny ears. Start with the magic ring again. Make a slip stitch. In round 1, we should have 6 single crochet. In round 2, 3, and then 4, we make 6 single crochet in each round. And don't forget to have your standing stitch before you each round. And your first stitch should be just below right here. And don't forget to put the stitch marker on your first stitch so you can keep a very good track of yourself. For the part, you will find from round 1 to round 3, the pattern is just the same as we did for the bunny head. So just follow the same pattern, and I'll put the pattern on the screen so you don't have to look back, and I'll meet you in round 4. In round 4, we have 24 single crochet, but in the back loop only. First, we have a standing stitch, and in the first stitch we make a regular single crochet, because for the first stitch it will be very hard to insert your hook into the back loop, so we're gonna just do a regular one. And starting from the next stitch, we insert the hook into the back loop only. Now you see you have 2 loops in one stitch. The loop on the back is called the back loop. So insert your hook in here, yarn over, pull out, yarn over, and pull through. Let's try this again. Insert the hook into the back loop right here. Make 1 stitch, back loop, make 1 stitch. Keep doing it until you finish this round. From round 5 to round 7, we just do regular single crochet for each round, and in each round we should have 24 stitches. For the mud part, grab your yarn, put it on the back, and insert your hook into 1 stitch, yarn over, pull out, make 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and in the second stitch we're gonna have a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. You should have 3 loops on the hook, and yarn over, pull through the 3 loops together. And then we're gonna skip the next stitch. In the second stitch, insert the hook, make a slip stitch. Just yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Let's try this again. 2 chain stitches. In the second stitch, make a half double crochet. Skip the next stitch. In the second stitch, make a slip stitch. And then again, 2 chain stitches, a half double crochet, skip the next stitch. In the second stitch, make a slip stitch. And then just repeat it until you finish this round. And now we have all the things that we need. You can choose to sew them, or you can use hot glue or tacky glue to put them together. And you can put some polyfill in your pot to hold the shape. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!